tatlo, ganun, mga tatlo. Ano na naman? Uy! Putang ina mo! Sorry, kaka-workout ko lang. Tangina. Pop is good. Hey, how's it going? My name is Rowan. Welcome to Loan Shark. So, maraming nag-recommend sa akin nito, you know, being on the sea and all. You know, I've been aboard ship for 6 months and assigned to multiple locations across the West Philippine Sea, and we will try to in a loan shark. Loan granted. The loan shark lent you a pile of money. Tulig ba yung ulan? Lakas ng ulan eh. You have to work all night, every night. You have no choice. Your debt is €1 million. 1 million euros. Kita natin. 1 million euros. Tangina, 6 million pesos. Which as much as you can. Okay. Kita ka ng taas ng sense ko. Okay. Relax lang tayo. Cutting board. Need a fish to cut. Okay. Hello, hello. Hindi naman rinig yung ulan, so tinagol ko yung suppression ko. So, fishing logbook. Fishing note scribbled on turnout margins, page margins. Cast the line at least 8 meters if you're too close, nothing bites. The fish either struggles or rests. When it rests, pull it out fear. When it struggles, pull too, but watch the line tension. If the line tension hits the max, the line breaks. When you feel it's about to snap, let go. Don't repeat his mistakes. Pang at pagbabanta. Ay puta, may camera. Yun. Ay puta, barakuda to ah. Marami na ito eh. Masarap to. Okay. Hindi ko, paano yung controls pare? Paano yung controls? Okay. Left click lang. Left click lang. Masyadong malapit. Bakit gano'n? Yung blue yung malakas. Okay. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, no, kung tagal kong nawala, busy tayo sa trabaho, meron na naman barakuda. Busy tayo sa mga pansarili natin buhay, pare. We're just doing this for fun. Tangina mo ah. Uy, nakakagulat. Okay. So, we are doing recording games for fun na lang, no? Kasi wala eh. Mayroon na tayong ibang nagkakakitaan sa buhay. Ganito. Ano? Tapos, kulang pa. Hello? Naiwa ko na siguro lahat. Ayun. Tapos, lagay dito. Tangina, imagine mo buong maggabihan, magdamag na mga isda. Ganito yung mga may isda sa tangina maghapon. Sobrang tagal mo mga isda, pre. Buong gabi nakapagod, talos gabi. Nakakatakot kaya yun. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung mga nagda-lurk sa ilalim. Malay mo, pating na pala. Fun fact, mga pating hindi ganun ka-aggressive towards sa mga tao. Nice one. Okay. Tilapia. Tangina, may tilapia sa dagat. Grabe sa panahon ko. Ganto kami maghapon. May sound effects. Wala siya mata. Palayo siya. Hindi. Nakatawa kasi siya. Mapalaga siya. Tingnan mo ah. Mas malakas ako sa'yo, pre. 8,000 to? Oh! Uy, gago. Hindi salita. Angler, you've caught me. I'm a magic fish, but I can't live until I've repaid my debt. Private property is sacred, and now I belong to you. This is the beginning of your fairy tale. Want to see how it goes? Sige. Taka na, pare, bira ka makita ng sasalitang isda eh. Gago. Kaya puta. Putang ina mo eh. My name's Caglioso. Taka na, sobrang pagod mo ganito nga may kita mo pag gabi. Minsan sobrang pagod ko sa barko, nakakausap ko na rin mga isda dun eh. Pang iba talaga nagagawa pre pag nasa barko ka. When someone young like you catfish me, they deserve a reward. It's the only way I can free myself. DJ, no? Kung tayo sa isda. My angler, I bring you prosperity. Now I'm gonna open my mouth. Ang putang ina, akala ko. Pause! Tangina, bubuksan yung bibig niya eh. It looks like fish waste to you, but it's a powerful artifact. Hook it on your line like bait. Damn, you were 12. Now go and fish. We'll see. Mata? Mata ng tao? Anong meron? Uy, gago. Dumilat. Yung aso. Meron na? Sila? Sige. Nemo? Nagdakpol nga dibuto Nemo. Kung ano patulingan? Sorry, di ako mabisado yung mga isda. 288,000! Pare! Kung makakailan tayong siguro pwede nang umuwi. Ayoko nang ganun. Wala akong xenophobia, xenomorph. Pero tanga ng mga ganong kalaki. Pas tayo dyan. Nice, the scales on the fish. A pure gold! This was my reward for a top-notch angler like you. Now we're even. So I'm taking back my eye. As much as I'd like to leave it to you, it's my property. And private property is sacred. Yun lang. Pag may makit mga 5 isda lang siguro, dapat sobrang lapit lang yan para maka-travel ka. Pag you can make you're looking for more golden fish, what's going on? Isn't what I gave you enough? Lay it out for me. Pre, pinapauwi na ako. Kailangan ko. Dalawang sharks demanding all this money back tonight, is that so? You know a thing or two about fishing, that's for sure. But when it comes to money, you're clueless. Look at the mess you're in, eh. I'll lend you the eye. Enough so you can nearly pay off your dues. Salamat. But I'm not doing anything for you. I see you've got a nice crate of beer. Bring me one. A cold bottle of beer. Salt water leaves your throat sore. Sure, pare. Putang na. Beer lang pala, oh. Finally, I can't take it anymore. I have to drink it now. Open it and pour it into my mouth. Sige lang. Nagtitiwala tayo sa kanya kasi pinahiram na tayo. Siya unang nagpahiram ng matay. So, wag natin siya double cross. Nice and cold. This is how I like it. You're better as a waiter than as an angler, I guess. Here's the eye. Alright. Take it care, it's just a rental. You can go. Lang pre. So na lang pre, tapos na tayo. Isang isda na lang. Uy, kulang pa ako. Isang isda na lang. Gago, isang isda na lang kulang ko pre. Isang isda na lang pre. Nagkupal ka pa. You have to... Actually, hindi pwedeng ganun pre. May usapan tayo eh. Naging nagpas 1 milyon na token ng inang. Karam ako ng mata mo ulit. Dinoble, boss. Dinoble, boss. Damn! I bet hungry sharks, but yours is starving. How do you even craft my sharp death for this crappy little boat? No offense, but come on, you seem like a sharp one. But now I realize you have no clue how to work in this business. You did everything wrong. Do you agree? Hey, answer me. Do you agree? Siguro? Hindi ko alam eh. I agree. Exactly. You reeled in Cagliuso here only by sheer dumb luck. Go on, say it. Tangina, uy, buso ka. So we need to define our terms. You wanna waste more time? Repeat what I told you. May dumb luck. Tangina, merong sumpa ako. Susumpay na ako na ito. Step isn't something we fix over a couple beers. But since I put you, here's an offer. I'll sell you my eye. Okay, bibenta niya. Just think, endless golden fish. Buy off your debts tonight. Become a millionaire by morning. But in return, I want something valuable. Something like... Ay. Mata sa mata. The rules. Erran a free enterprise, not a charity. And private secret should be valued. Sige, laban. Laban natin pare. I mean ako, hindi ko kaya gawin ito sa totoong buhay, pero tangin na laban. But you did the right thing, trust me. Here's my eye. No, your eye. Tangin na, para kang tanga boy. Answer me. Wala na, yung ka na magsalita, nakuha ko na yung mata pare. You really won't learn your lesson. Pwede ko naman siguro isuot tong mata. Uy! Putang ina mo! Pwede ko naman siguro isuot tong mata sa sarili kong mata, tapos doon ako magiging millionaire. But that's not how it works pare. That's not how biology works. Biology, putang ina, hindi ko alam na. Basta nervous system. Nervous na ako dito eh. Nice one. 200. Bayad na yung debt ko. Bayad na. Bayad na. Bayad na akong utang. Si Russo had your same attitude. You think you're owed everything. Never willing to listen, to learn from those who really know shit. And look how you end up. In the jaws of the loan shark. Unbelievable. You did it. You have all the gold you need to pay off the debt. If I were you, I'd run to the cabin and start the engine right now. There are people on the ground waiting. But always remember, if you have a problem you don't know how to solve, you don't know what to do, ring the bell and I'll come help you. I don't see how you could screw things up again, but you've shown me more than once tonight that you're not exactly sharp, so I won't say goodbye. Papa ba ako ng isa? Still haven't showed up, be honest. Do you have that money? Yes. Then push the engine to the max and teleport yourself here or teleport the money for all I care. I don't want this to end badly. I really don't, so be on time. Sige, ano na tayo? Gago, di ako aabot! 39 minutes, boy! Mangingisda muna ako. Ay, bawal mangisda. Paano? Hindi ako aabot. Kulang ako 10 minuto, boy. Pero mas mapabilis. Tawagin ko si idol. Angler, hold on a moment. I'm thinking, was it 2008 or 2011? Hindi ko alam pare. Everything about si Russo, that angler I told you about. You should know si Russo was buried in debt too. Actually, you know what? Let me tell you his story. I'll stop you right here. You called me because you need my help again, right? The terms are simple then. I listen to you if you listen to me first. Fair, right? Now shut up. Once upon a time, there was a... Oh my god. It was quite a rich money. He couldn't just buy about its own money. It's happened, but awarded to see most of the cameras. This is his captain. Can deliver the fish, but that be a real miracle. I want your boat. Yeah, I know. Doesn't feel good hearing that, huh? But seriously, why do you care about that piece of junk? You've got my eye. Tomorrow you'll be sitting by sea catching enough gold to buy 5 boats. Come on, I'm helping out. This little boat isn't even worth the upkeep. Yourself, sell it to me, then clear your debt, just like Sirusa did. Okay, so ibibenta ko yung bangka sa kanya. I will sell him the boat. He will get me there on time. So I will be paying my debt. I still have the eye. Tama naman siya, yes. I-teleport niya tayo. Fish delivered. You made it, angler. You don't need me anymore. Goodbye. Hinipi niya. Tapos na? Angler. I don't know how you did it. But I'm glad I did. I need a fire under your ass. Where did you get a suitcase full of gold? And you leave it to me without even showing up. Dev Seped, you made it. Get back here right away. We gotta celebrate. Woohoo! Tapos na ako. Kaso napakatagal. Pagkina mo. Ito, kunin mo yung mata ko. Puro kamay. Last time I remember, I'm not playing Sea of Thieves, pare. Where do you think you're... Oh, fuck. Meron kang point eh, kaso... Fuck. Fuck you ka. You forced me to have my associate. Tangina mo, kupal ka. I mean, mali ako eh. Kasi hindi ko inisip yung terms na yun. Gusto niya yung... Binenta ko yung bangka sa kanya. At that point, we made a deal. Gold, another beer. Pay me back for holding it to shore. Give me a break. Ano ba gusto mo? I figured you didn't know the road through for... But you're just ridiculous. Sorry, that's not gonna happen. What a night. I got a very satisfying knowledge from you. Just in time too, since my associate was getting impatient. Because this is coming near the boat. He was reaching to. Tangina mo ah. Pag. Bahala na, palag-palag na. Palag-palag na ako, pre. Hindi. Ah, fuck this. Alam mo, naglalaro ako ng Sea of Thieves, pare. Hindi ko natagalan malaglag sa... Oo, Coast Guard ako, oo, pero... I can't imagine. Ay, putak ina mo! I can't imagine being in the middle of the sea ng gabi. Ang ina. So, paulit-ulit lang talaga yung nangyari. Fuck. All that cash waste ka na smart ass who's almost sleeping at cocktail on some tropical beach. Why don't these kids just go for someone who knows what they're doing? Why take on more for the kids gonna sit in it is... Galing, tangina. Hindi mo i-expect yung loophole na ano niyan eh. Yung anglerfish na yun eh. He gave me full foreshadowing sa kwento ni si Russo. I could have, you know, I could have avoided it, pare. Kaya kong i-avoid, kaso, fuck. Galing din yun, no? Tayo na. May moral yung game talaga. May moral yung game. Ang galing. Pwede, galing. So, yun yung Loan Shark. Wow. Good shit siya. Merong moral yung story and I've had fun playing it, pare, no? So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And, sana nag-enjoy kayo. So, I will post another one again soon. Somebody, anyone, recommend me some good horror games. I will be playing Chuxi next, you know. And, see you guys soon. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Mr. Ronin, so stay cool and get good. Ciao.